Yes, yes, yes. I am happy to be here this morning. You can see my voice is very clean and very sound because we are inside bloody war. Okuano now, how to liberate everybody, both enemies and friends. Because something about the miracle all I had, we got happy. As you people can see, Akoda Abuja is using police and Interpol and lawyer to threaten people. Whether you with her, whether you have worked with her, whether she has become a friend or not before, she will gazette you at any moment. As of last year by this time, I don't know, I never able to say my name go enter gazette. That's why it may be. When I say she will not here and anything can happen. Anything can solve. Something matter or the hand of Yahweh Pussy. And nobody would able to hear anything in here. But all reality hit here. Yam Anna, yes, I did fuck up. Now she will tell herself, I don't fuck up too much. For now, reality never hit her. Reality will hit her. She's a human being and will have known her level. Commissioner of Police, that is her final level in Nigerian police. She don't know AIG. She don't know IG. Every rubbish she done is through Commissioner of Police. Because you know that AIG currently one now is a Yoruba man. Not the other Yoruba man she used to do a job last time. They have changed AIG. They have changed IG. I mean. So whatever you are doing with the CP with that IG, you don't know about it. Because IG has so many cases that come into his office. Big cases that he never even signed for arrest or for gazette. So your career, everything you claim, you end for Commissioner of Police. Commissioner of Police is not a permanent work office. It's not a permanent office. But we shall know. We will know the end of this matter through the law. But because you claim that you know they look for people's trouble, people go they bully you, they bully your Boko Haram. All the whole people stood there when you born. All of them are Boko Haram you born, bandit. Now so you gazette me, now so they will gazette them in future. Because they are bandit. Agbo na amu agbo. Mbana na amu mbana. Agbo na amu agbo. You are a terrorist. You are a gazetter. You are a destroyer. You are a criminal. You are a 419. You are a bandit. So you will hear Boko Haram. Or him those bastards they will about. Boko Haram. Don't try to bring those Boko Haram in Igbo land. Never ever want the dream. Pay attention. Never one day in the entire life, the small life you want to get, never one day dream that it got all those bandits to other level. Because Obara bandit to Obara bandit. they will gazette those bastards. This is my wish for them. This is my cause. I cause them as elder. Because you say I'm 66 years, which means I'm supposed to born you. So they are my grandchildren. Since you don't have respect, can Hausa man at 66 and a woman of Hausa at 50 years will insult an Hausa man of 66 on social media and go and gazette the same Hausa man? Such thing can never happen. You are the first idiot. You say you are 50 years, but you are fighting a man, insulting a man of 66 that can be your father. So I use this mouth as a senior, as elder, to curse all your children. They will be gazetted because they are bandits and Boko Haram. Because the blood will burn them. Now the same thing that they do. Because I don't know, say I don't confirm say Igbo man or Delta man or Benin man or Yoruba man don't born for you before. Even they say he hustle Buhari, they hustle Buhari to fuck him, make him born for you. You are left with no rich Buhari. What they do is they go see top men, they go to hustle them. They open to for them, and they born for you. When they born for you finish, the ability will come through your head. You don't know how to start. And so if they beg money, they call people. They do camera down. Now you see what they trade now. So you never come out to see yesterday 24 hours where something they trade. No one tell you what they trade. You don't know what they trade. You know what they everywhere now don't fool. Because Obaigbe na Alalegbe. Ịnọ na saga na-akwụ ụgwọ ka a na-asha ya otu nwaanyị ibe gị. Na-akwụ ụgwọ ka a na-edere ndị mmadụ rest in peace. Na-akwụ ụgwọ ka a na-agba nwaanyị ibe gị bụ saga na di ya. Na-akwụ ụgwọ ka a na-edestroy nwaanyị ibe gị NGO. Then olu n'aka gị ga-echere na na-enwe ntapụ. A na-enwe police. Civil matters nke iburu gawa n'aka police. Police in Nigeria Constitution, civil matters is not for police. Go straight to court. That is the only way you can get case. I challenge you, go straight to court, or else you go suffer past the regardless. Now me they tell you the truth. This is why they tell you, don't be saga, that the chief, a double chief. Udeji to one number say, I consolate one name Asia, double chief. At 66 years, if you cannot respect me, my people will respect me. Because if I'm about a Hausa man at 66 years, you cannot even come to social media to insult me for the first place. If I reply to you, could have given that respect as the elder. But because of your harlot, you're a harlot. That is why I told my people, don't ever end up with a harlot. She may pretend that she don't repent. But my brother, that repent, that temporary issue, apuna. I didn't change apuna, change. As long as a woman can be Jebrionia, cotton, to blue light, to red light, forget about that person. When you see, women want today, about my age. All my corner one day they talk, I preach this gospel. Anyway, I would have everything and I don't know what. Oh, my couldn't to kind of don't end up to marry Akuna. As long as I'm in a hotel, it was even a short time, even today, near Korea today, I know there. Now, somebody who claimed that she married a senator that we cannot know. We cannot know our Nigerian senators' name. In case when they ask you for election, how many senators in Nigeria get? You begin to name them. All those things now free of charge. Now, senator when you marry, na Akpabio you marry. Nigeria Malaya, I be Nigeria Malaya you marry. Who be that senator when you marry? You don't see hide our senator from us because now people vote them. So why they hide them? If you know say you are doing the right thing on social media, why they hide our Nigerian senator when you claim that it's your husband? Why cannot allow us to talk to our senator, to ask him question? He's a politician. Let us ask him question. Even if he's too stubborn, at least he's supposed to know that he married from our state and we are the in-law. Without us, he cannot see you because now we they guide you when you are small until you come grow, he can't see you, come marry you. So he's supposed to give us our own respect. We deserve a respect from that senator who married you. He's supposed to give us listening ear. He's supposed to give us listening ear so that we can educate him and open his eye to know the real you. For him to know the real you, know that you can do him camera down with the people in Europe. You can do camera down with the people in Asia. You can leave the band and be doing camera down with different men because of you need iPhone. That is why you are selling your dignity. So iPhone is important than your toto. Zara is important than your toto. You value Zara than your toto that you senator is sleeping with. A senator toto. Now you value pass. Now you value Zara pass. Some people they allow her focus. If they follow me, you know they focus on my gospel. I'm a God, I will curse you. Because I can't be happy. I want many places to go now. I came here. I don't care for any gazette. That because of people, when they say tomorrow they go lose God. Whenever they come, they say, focus on my gospel. Don't lose God. Never you lose God. Because you are better than the person that is fighting you. 100%. You marry a senator, a man with dignity. But they are doing camera that now they say your toto and their breast don't come out. Your toto and their breast, they're online. People they can, you don't say fake account. That's when they're going to distribute them. Both Google, both TikTok, both every social media. Because when she posted our gazetted post, everybody carry am. Now so social media do. Anything where you post now, everybody will carry am. You don't go stop people not to carry am. Now social media property. Social media property is not a personal property. That is why I told you that you don't have the case. If voice note is a social media property, the gazetteers is a social media property. Some people are using it to fight us, but I cannot respond to them because they are ignorant. They never know what will happen. That's why they are talking nonsense. That is why we are telling them this is what happened. You married a Muslim man, you converted to Islam, you converted to their religion, and they read their rules and regulations for you. Maybe so. They will read, this is what they like, and this is what they don't like for you. You accept it, and they be dressing like them. When they do salah, you go and rent people's car, rent clothes, rent shoe, do one kind of period and marriage may exist. Yes. So let me tell you one thing. Fake life can only last longer if you have money. If you have where you are getting money, straight, not from help me money. Help me money cannot help you to keep your fake life alive. One Abuja, if this woman have money, if this woman get company, when we say money they come to her hand, apart from all these people where they give her money, all this allowed where they dash her money, she no go there for saga. I mean they tell you. Now poverty bring her for saga. Now let me play the video where she talk say she fight mortgage. The worst part, nobody they invite her more. Nobody they ask her say come to saga. Now she come by herself, begin the fight mortgage to take a deck. She fight mortgage more than 2 times. Ogechi don't respond them. She even go and follow Ogechi, add Ogechi as a friend, so that Ogechi go notice her. A reasonable and responsible married woman don't have time for all these things she did. But instead of her to correct her mistake, she'll be using a connection to be threatening people like me. One thing must kill a man. God has days where people say they fear death. 2 years old boys they die, they do party for them. Talk less of 40-something, 60-something years old man. If I die now, they don't go do party for me. They go do party for me. I don't scare of death. Wow. And when you come back, if you die, you go come back. The only thing I scare is to come back, not to die. I don't say I could die. It's that to come back and continue where I stop. Now I'm at the pray. May the God don't deny me that one. Because my father don't go, come back. And I'm the same my father where I know. Now he come back. My mother don't go, come back. Now the same woman I know, now she come back. The same love, when they die alive, now the same love, why they take they follow them now. And then they use them, they play. So when I'm afraid of something that I am 100% right, something that we have evidence, something that when the court starts the case, we present court every information they want. Why should they be afraid? Anybody that will tell you to be afraid or tell you to don't talk, that person is working with them. They want to use that person to subdue you. And when they see say you are quiet, that is what they want. They know that they don't have any case with you. They know that gazette is not working. It cannot work. I can go to Nigeria airport. They will not hold me. I will go to my house. Fortunately, they were for December to January. She get her contact. Why she don't go pick up? Fortunately, therefore, Imo State throughout December, January. Why she not go pick up with her contact? If her contact is genuine, if people don't get sense, and do not go get sense through me. Peace where I make with Ogechi. It's not only peace. Now to give Ogechi followers sense and Ogechi sense. That is why I come to Ogechi, to give Ogechi so many information so that she will focus on that. Because I don't want to hear tomorrow, Ogechi, I paid this woman social amount for them to make peace. Ogechi will be the most useless woman on earth if we should give that woman a couple to make peace with her. Because Ogechi don't have any case with that criminal. Now listen, pay attention, let me play this video. You will hear what she said. The person that says she's not into saga about your wife, we're going to hear what she talk.
Good evening, how are you? Obi, went from America. You know. So you're gonna be ready now. Go watch if I got game alive. So you're gonna be ready, you know.
Tap one, make it up, tap one.
And and yesterday, okay, she no live. So site here. Chat and say yeah, I chatted her. So almost some fans maybe a ban and name me inbox now name chat okay so this sorry does not mean that this girl war 2 times or
I could have this girl I war 2 times or go to hormone. You go there your jail. Like she will come to your page, come and fight you. For you to notice her. When she begins to insult you too much, you can't notice her, she can't reply to her, she don't go gazette you. Because she gets connection with the Gazeta. She gets connection with the Interpol. She gets connection with the SAM. She gets connection with the High Court. You get one woman when she they use for High Court, they do her eligible work. Now she will come to their page, according to what she said. Now she come to Ogechi. Even the child not getting best, all this is with the saga will they do. But the thing don't come out for saga now. It don't enter for intimidation. The woman come for another different things. Number one, she came for dick. What your arm of saga. She came for hair. Because she is a single mother with 4 children. She came for her. Number 2, she wants to be popular. She wants everybody to know her. Number 4, she wants to take account people to be bound to her. She wants to take account people to be calling her Otobu 1, Eze 1, Ago 1, and 1. She don't want Ogechi to be putting that name. Lawyer and Okalesia. You know, so Okalesia and Okalesia. All with the problem of this problem. But earlier Okalesia now why on social media. Other than and drag with Ogechi. Now Yawa will billionaire. Now Yawa will billionaire. As a part of a woman on a saga. Never on a saga. Somebody in America. Now by Okalesia. What are you on? Connection here and there. Where go here and there. No get you can open them web on. Sharon and our Mazu consider here. Good morning, auntie. The one know on our as a human being. On our everybody know here as a slave. The same man who do good land. anya ka o ji ele anyị because ọbara ugwu abalị ya ahụ ọ gbala ndụ wuchite m onye gozi na ihe na-enye ha ya ṅụọ ya bere na-eche nche tinye obi ọjọọ dị ahụ that's onye ele anya ya nkịta ọ na-ahụ anya ya asị mmadụ that is why it can be me it can be you it can be anybody tomorrow now otu ya na-trend everywhere who is the next person she's going to gazette because of that author ask yourself because they use fake account they send this in here and there somebody see make una no dey use that thing dey put for my comment I'm doing my thing legit I'm working on my own if I deliver myself I have delivered Sharon I have delivered Fortunate I have delivered Ogechi I have delivered everybody I got to liberate myself and liberating myself is everybody. Fortunate can liberate me and Sharon, only him. Because like the same thing with the tackle. She go come to somebody's page, begin to insult the person, begin to abuse them. At least if the thing is say this person doesn't do well, you find the person number, call them private, tell them. But if they want you come to Sharon, you say make Sharon send you that voice note to private. You know how much you do am online. But your own, you go do your own decision online. They tell you so get you do this, get you do that. You come there. It's not going to call Ogechi and ask them, can you hear them? You have only job here, be make peace. Because one year will get peace. Can go to the no one about 1 year but we are war. If we say we are war, it will end in here. This is the secret. If you like, see, I'm not bad to say when you are making your joy, say we are war. We are war. We are war. Don't, I'm going to say sorry. Don't do any apology. Don't do apology. Oh yeah, even though you apology, ebe I think there were more problems. Ebe I call them because she know what she's looking for. So anything that is pan out on there, and they can have their girl. Whether they may apology or you may apologize or you may Christian or you could grow and say she will do that in the movie. So the best thing will preach the word about to her. So that people will know that she's evil. How many Igbo billionaires can have brought to a good picture? Just ordinary picture. At least with one not a top uptown, not a capital city. No Fulani. If we see in a meeting some Igbo billionaires, we have another picture. Now this Nikon look like that. You can't come close to them because it's not about you never shower well to come where men there or where better women there. You wait and beg for Gucci perfume. You wait and beg a Gucci perfume to spray forever. Like what could I listen to? What should they talk?
She didn't answer me. Even one day check or answer him or say anything. Why they say them but the only thing all this rubbish things, you know, the words up about on even what did that one say kind of mag mama yeah they say and I'm baby on your home you want to pop up.
Now in the about Facebook kita ọdụdụ amụ onye ụra na-akpọ na Facebook ọgbasa ahụ n'ele aka ihe onye ahapụrụ edemede ya bụ onye chọrọ udo na-eme ntụ onye ụra na onye okwu ụka if you dey come my page now You know, like what they do now. What you go do? Maybe to go another page, go stay. Because you don't want insult. You don't want make people defend their characters. One more now, they don't know. Unu nwechara nnọọ kind blend na-adịghị agwọ ọkụ agwọ unu agbara ebe m na-eje onye bugoribu unu nwa zuru oke bi ebe agbanwe ọtụ na agbụ ma ọ laka ihe na-ekwu ebe ihe ebe ọ ga-emegere ya pụọ ụtọ mebido akịta laka ihe mmemme ya gara ebe ọzọ gawara obodo agaghị egide ya bụ nwere problem the children can never go out on ammo. They then was all not. Oh, George, the watch. You think that was all not being on your leg. I like you, not you. A married woman, a future senator, a common senator. A kingdom soon. And I took for a change for. Another woman. Another woman. Catwaya, area everywhere. Area with the whole talent that was area up with them in the magazine. The matter with area gave the whole world. Our only senator. They are going to do everywhere. Senator. Senator. And 64 hours now. It's your bank account. A senator wife. A billionaire wife. Those people you are using, them go understand that you are using them, that you are the trouble. Because I get to come back from my house. They warn me, don't go and look for trouble and ask me to come. I will not come. Because as long as somebody wrong you, you saw that person, no problem. Unless we are not want Nigeria again. Unless in only Abuja, Nigeria case, they treat them well. You understand me now? Because as long as Nigeria is concerned, both Lagos, both to Anambra State, both to Calabar, Port Harcourt, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, Ondo, Kaduna, Katsina, Kano, Nasarawa, and wherever another treaty case on all these states. So everyone happen to get all these states. He got Bambo, Libya, and they got Daniel. He went in school in another Libya. And the Ega, and when you hear this say, we have a banga because of economic affairs. It can't have a maker. It can't have getting Kaduna governor, Aerofire. It can't have passenger. Ndị a niile kpọrọ akịta gbachara nga enwe ebe ruru ha ịwa ashawo na-enweghị grade ashawo na-enweghị time ọ kwụsị ịga jabara onwe uru ashawo na high school ashawo ahịa na outside ashawo mụrụ bandit ashawo mụrụ Boko Haram I get declare ụmụ gị 110 that was a full job. I caused them as a title man in Igbo land. All of Igbo, as long as Igbo, all of Anahu, I caused them as the oracle of Igbo of this trouble. They must be gazetted as a Boko Haram and bandit, and they will be eliminated. Anything that's like number one has delete. People hear about delete. When you delete something, you don't have no forever. Because someone like you, your blood doesn't need to exist. Because your lineage, your attitude, your useless character, is not going to help the youth. It's not going to help the future people. With your character now, no Igbo woman now would like to marry a Fulani man because of you. Because if you want to marry, they say, should I go marry now just to use contact to be killing my people? A woman will use power on somewhere. Let someone there. Yes, no woman. The power. Mommy California can you make contact? Mommy California will never look at the care. Mommy California catch on one that this and make contact, which will confirm. Always for contact, may go. Why you were a hospital na California? Why you want the American nurses or American citizens of America? Now she they pay them per hour in America. Why you were a hospital here? You know what you take to only hospital in California? Over everything, over the power more than you, over the contact where you go, where everything more than you. But able on a threatened man one day na saga, near a local man. Because after I do chat, all the other has side. All because they are not looking at side. Yet they threat one day man. Can I talk to because I like to go. Oda head job because I got you work for there. Immediately when I say that Oda head job because the man he won't chill. They work for their side. If I man take a half of money, you don't call. And the one you want to worry him. If I man only take a half of money, you don't call. But see, yeah, go and gazette that person. That's the last advice you get. If you cannot get justice for that same episode line, the man will live forever. Because that one is the most important than a flip voice note. Can I won't get direct people your life. So if you don't get justice for that, I won't get your life. A man, that is a woman walking on one. Now man, I should. I did with themselves. None of them walk no. I did with them. Go and gazette. Only I had a album that you call the due to the pay. In one day, because picture that will picture or picture. Go and gazette that person. I will share it for my page for you. And I will find that person for you before authority will take care of the case. I will help you to find the person. Because it's a very bad, or a very bad thing. A Hausa woman, a Fulani married woman, gagging her online. Can you turn the Sharia law getting a leg now? Mahavon. Don't you know that there was a Sharia law that one year will not only a Muslim, the leg case out the case, a case out the case. Keep only for the husband. Keep only for the husband. So how will you convince the public now that thing that they are working on? How will you convince the public? Are you going to convince them through gazette? I want to say this matter now. I want you to settle this matter this today because the way that is going viral. It's going to change your casino in the next 10 years. A guy about 100, from 1 to 100, a guy about 400. Come on, number one, about first. Second, the 100, until the 100, go and gazette only the levels of the video call as soon as possible. Do you know why I'm giving you this advice? They cannot give you this advice because they know what they did to you. Because my them still use fake account they send them everywhere. But if they can't say like on a day together. Use your tracking police to track those fake accounts. You go see where they dey. You go see say they dey with you there. Nigeria. No be as I come. You say those people like you. They don't like you. Because number one, you know they respect them. Only their own decision they take. You know they take their own decision. They think they face them. But they enjoy them because you are still fighting their common enemy. That is why they enjoy them for you. Now, are you safe as a woman? Is your marriage safe? Why you never come out since yesterday and talk as usual? And you're supposed to be talking and be coming out with your face so that the whole world will know who is speaking. You can't be a big woman, a billionaire. You'll be hiding on darkness to be talking. Yes, someone that have everything on earth. They have even this bridge with the bridge. That you get up. Because yes, if someone can possess somebody, this bridge with the bridge, now she get up. You have everything. Why are you shy to come out with your face and talk to your followers what you are going through? Open camera like this and talk. Let them know that you are doing the right thing. You are spoiling the good police. You are spoiling the good Interpol in Nigeria. People that want to work with their heart. People that have God called for to do their work. You are using connection, using bribe, using to towards the smell where it don't expire, to towards the whole people when they sang and don't fuck, don't utilize, using the bribe. Allow them to do their normal work. They will tell you, say, madam, you are wrong. The married woman not supposed to, my wife, they will tell you, say their own wife don't get time for social media. They get time for their children and their husband. A married woman, a responsible married woman, don't get time for social media drama. You don't get time. If you should have something to protect, according to you, you say you have something to protect. That you say you have to protect now. Now they go viral. So, what if they defend again? The character you are coming at the defend, they go viral now. Everybody is here. Monkey is here. Baboon is here. Dead people is here. Living people is here. Spirits is here. Ghosts is here. Now the same thing when you say the man I mean that. Like any baby, who don't have a baby, why the baby, why would you go to let that food up? Any baby to let that food up. Any baby can go full. Can you really convince the whole Nigerians now? No, won't do one when you're not trade. No, you're not going to get a more so online. Because the flip will come out here not talking. They only have banter. Well. Advertising Nigeria, only was an Amazonas hotel. No parking was discovered at Amazonas hotel for the first place. The Amazonas hotel. There shall some Abuja home. No parking was not at Abuja. Now you make a change from Asaba to Abuja, so okay, really close in a real loss of a married woman that have 4 Boko Haram, 4 bandits in her house. They must gazette this children. Unless spiritual where the worship don't exist. I have caused them to them. They must gazette them because they are going to be Boko Haram and bandits. Future one. You will see it. Idiot. Only you get value. Other people don't get value. Only you go feel go fuck bad. Only you go good to do everything. They tell people how you try to get in there.
Oh yeah, you understand. So why I'm sick, I'm she accepted me. So that thing weakens me. Yeah, we are weak. In our one mother war, now one mother all sort of things. Because send the run on your friend request, yeah, make accept. So of her pages, make accept. So, on mother.
Now, what court need is evidence. You don't need no evidence. Your lawyer will say, this is my evidence. You are not the one going to talk. Now lawyer will talk to judge. This is the evidence of my client. Listen to it. Oh, she find the woman don't respond. Do you know the reason why? This woman is using her own court to do her job. Now, as we do now, we need to correct that mistake. No, be that place where she dey go, we dey go now. We dey go another different places. And she must come 100%. That's why I dey tell her say, Chukwu should have clear name and say, case me na about ebi and ebi and try about the end. Whatever nature, I go see the end. Who win? Na me win. Let it be my penalty. Pay or you do this. Now she lose. Let it be her penalty. Pay money or you go. Finish. That's all them haircut cover. Now, ịma kpara chọrọ onye okwu chọọ ya okwu ọ dụfuru gị ọnụ gaa chọkwa ka ise na ya twenty place ọ dụfuru gị ọnụ gaa chọrọ iche new way ọ dụfuru gị ọnụ ya hụkwa na ọkwa gị nwa chọrọ onye isi dị o were bụ gị nwa mana isi dị ịchọrọ onye okwu tụrụ nwanne iwuru onye na-awụ onye okwu n'ụka gịnị ka ị ga-eme abụghị apụọ na hapụrụ onye akụpụrụ onye aga ọrụ onye na-achọ okwu na-atụrụ adị onye ahụ don't want to respond to you. If that person go now, yes, if that person do what, go your way, because this person don't want your trouble. But you know that this person come to say they exist. People can't show up, they do the way you don't do for them. She be human being. No be you they pay her bill. You be mama, she be mama. You don't born pikin, she don't born pikin. Now, she can't respond to you. It can't use that her own as evidence. Say she dey insult you. The ones wey they do for am since when she never respond. To tell you say, only one way a wicked devil. Only one way no pull up. Exactly, I got for the open. The open be answer. You actually want to change the open. That's what the bonus one year. The one we have our boom. We have our bandit, terrorists, Boko Haram. And that can get the one by one. Only that you have now. One more career. Make sure one. Nga bugudu ọnụ n'ụwa bugudu ọnụ n'ụwa bugudu ọnụ ọnụ ka m bụghara arị ma m pretira arị ma m chụwa gị sa na egbu and they cost you because you say I be 66 years old man, so you can't insult a man of 66 years. You don't get respect because you get connection and that type of connection will say if I want time I no go do am. Those people wey dey there they don't like you pass everybody. You don't even find it. I think this one fine beautiful girl. You should go get connection where I want get. Come out. You can be old woman now. See, Nigeria not the stay one place. Nigeria they do like this. Connection when you say you get that tomorrow night it will fail you. That's why some people they go prison. Billion is not a connection. Video is not a connection. Why is still a long time for prison? Billion like billionaire who say get money, get everything. You get any amount to buy lawyer to come out them. But you still how long? That's so you be law is law. You can't change law. As long as you have evidence, law is law. Unless you don't know the law. That is why you'll be thinking that money cannot do everything for you. They are laws, they are stand still. What is wrong? Billion is a billionaire. Do you know why he stays so long? Because BVN go with evidence. Yes. So BVN will write over him. With his money, he cannot buy anybody. With his contact, nobody will come. Because law is law. When it will say, this woman will not see any Hausa man, any Fulani man will answer her call. Pay attention. No Fulani man, no Hausa man will answer her call when the matter will start the way we want them to start. And they come online, they talk and say, she don't damage my image all over the world. Everyone don't know what happened. So most of them, they follow me now. So now here I explain to them because it's not good to explain one person, two people, this one by one. So I said, make them follow my page. So I explain to them what happened, everything that happened. So that is why I come out online to explain to them. So I can understand my own side. Not when I tell them secret, private, they will just say, na lie and a lie. That is why they come out public. Whether police they watch me or internet they watch me, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Time will reach. If you don't contact her contact, you go disappoint her. Back my word. They go say they don't know her. I won't hear church. Yeah, I'm going to hear the within a short time. And I make Okuba half image. Because they will more to the Canadian. They will know me. I'm not going to have a son. Oh, there's Oche in your home. Oche, the home. Oh, madam, will grace. Oh, madam, the Meji, and when grace, they will spirit possess some man, I'm going to somewhere. And possess somebody with his spirit. But they have no more somewhere. Spend their millions, they should.
Maybe on the way in and yeah, put younger, you know, on your night. So, yeah, but it doesn't matter. When I brought me an old woman, Yamanayaji, when I went when you know, but I say, I want to make a this what's on young, doesn't mean that an equal on young. She's not my enemy, and I don't think she will ever be my enemy because more enemy. And one enemy, one more permanent friend, you know. Yeah, because this way.
And when I'm not and when my permanent friend, she don't have any permanent friend. As long as you disagree for her, you are gazetted. As long as you say, no, this thing you want to do is not good, your name don't enter gazetted immediately. Gazetted in our water. To gazette people, now water for her. She gave the connection. But I wish her children, I caused her children, they must be gazetted because of bandit and Boko Haram. Unless I'm not a pure Igbo man. I caused those children, they must be gazetted. Those poor bastards. Those dumb bastards, they must be gazetted. In future. Because their mother is a fair mother. There is no good foundation she left for them. So they are going to join Boko Haram and bandit. Future. And they want to gazette it. Facebook is a free place. Social media is a free place. It's no man's business. Everybody is equal on social media. Mind their business, I mind my business. You cannot insult me or spoil my name. I will be looking at you. I'm a fool. And then you say government. Police is not in charge of civil matters. It's not even written in the anywhere. Civil matters is not for police to take care of in the case. It's the court. Court is the people that handle civil matters. For those who don't know the law, and because of ignorance, make us not remember things last time. And you should think that fear of Ogechi's story still there for our body. If we see this one again, we go inside, we don't go talk. She's going to come out with the PG and Amagabon and the flame and the syndicate. Begin they bully us, they make us the fear more. All fear, let us fear and die together. That is why I ginger of you. Come out and fight this fight, let us die together. Because all this fear made this woman the enter us. All this fear, now made this woman they get moral they enter us. For some we fight them, they tell us that can say it's early, when she can say that early one. So for don't run about things now. Civil matters never handle with Interpol or police. Now court we ask them to go and do this and do that. Not the policeman, the handler. So I don't know the day when you become Nigerian president with your Interpol, become the rule over Tinubu. I don't know the year when you become Nigerian president, when you go to change law of Nigeria, you do your own because of the great total connection. Great total connection. Other people, the people like Bianco, you put them. Then they see them. Then they see they get promotion every day for government. Which promotion is not get? President connection. Which promotion is not get? Your father road that lead to your father's house is closed with the bush. Road that lead to your father's house is closed with the bush. You cannot use caterpillar to go and clear it. And it's going to spend 1 million naira. You're a millionaire. Where your mother they sleep, zinc don't water they enter there. They choke the woman. You never do anything. You don't say your father a failed useless man. Your papa failed. Your mama failed. Your papa won't get any man when they replace him for his family. Now 3 bastards after he born. You are the first daughter of Apollo. Look at where you end up. Other ones will end up with even more water than you. You know, even they think how you can adopt a male child, give for your father. I'm not going to share it. Never wanna any candidate. I'm not going to share. Every man like a name on trial. I can do that about the Roy I'm on trial, so I'm not sure. But you know, big woman at Facebook. The title of Ozaman Nadim. I can do. So, in my mother, I cannot get trouble. But take care of you. Why I can take what I do. That will be then, I suppose, up to 200 million. To know where I make peace. I didn't want you. A man and him while you're killing, you're practicing while you're online.
No enemy, no permanent friend. Young we're moving
A moving trend. If you continue to fight to get it for her, that is what she means by a moving trend. As long as you focus on the fight to get it steady, you don't get problem with this woman. That's why she said she don't have permanent friend, no permanent enemy. As long as you the right link, now that's one fool. Don't you want to be able to go capital? I said no, with the money now. I didn't see that money now. Oh yeah, oh no, ofuwe ekwebi, ofuwe ekwebi, akoda. Ewo asi won ya la mmadụ. Ini awa dota the kidney be good. Ewo ya la mmadụ, very short dwarf. After that ogologo, o na afọ ogologo. Akpụ tụrụ ya buru ibu, asọ nwere akpụ tụrụ. Efulefu say. Efulefu nwa nwaanyị, efulefu nwa nwaanyị a na-eme ahụ. Efulefu nwa nwaanyị. Efulefu nwa nwaanyị. Efulefu nwa nwaanyị. Nwaanyị a will pay the cheapest acronym. The cheapest acronym nọ n'Abuja nnama. You know, I want to add you joke. The people at the shop of women. I like the women. Yeah, from one as you book around. My children in Ghana school. If you hear my daughter's English, I will pay 21 million per time. But if left to the high school, na never will have Gilonian children. Fortunately, they declare that or you have a Christmas, do you have contact with the village? Because you may go there and address all of her. If you have not children and address all of fortunately. Fortunately, I don't address the village. Since Christmas, the fortunate upon her. Since Christmas, since that time, yeah. Upon the hour until now. All of us do upon the hour, but after the hour. Why, if you get better contact, if you know say your contact is legit, your contact is legit, why you don't go arrest fortunate where fortunate is there for actually? With your legit contact. Why they invite them? Why they give an invitation with your Interpol invitation? To show you say you don't be anybody. Now so I go and do that finish and come out. Now so you know when you go see me. Because you don't get that capacity to send police to go and bring somebody from another state without court order. They never do it before. Must use court order. Even to search person house. Must bring court searching warrant. We don't say you get connection. You can get connection to maneuver some things. But you get some things when you say that you don't use connection maneuver. Because if it's very easy, all these billionaires when they go prison, they don't go prison. They go use money to maneuver those things. It gets some things when they hook person for them, they go back. If they contact, the fortunate to stay in Nigeria till February. Kechibeko they work with you. See Kechibeko house. See fortunate house. Kechibeko know everything. Why you not go pick fortunate for house? Then we will not say yes. This woman make contact. Why must you send invitation and he didn't go? And he sent his lawyer to represent him. You still go and declare him wanted. What is the fight from fortunate hand? Fortunate you know they fuck people like you. You be old woman. You don't old. And the king say you marry Muslim, you be an Islam woman. Why is the life to the disturb fight for Igbo men when you see online? Anyone who don't give you attention become your enemy. The same thing to me. I never give you attention or friendship. I become your enemy. Because you're a single mother. You're a single mother. You have 4 children without any man taking care of them. Ebuka is trying. Ebuka is paying school fees. A flex is buying them clothes, buying them ice cream and some food stuff. A flex is the one taking care of you. Wait till your husband. Wait till your husband they do. Wait till your husband they participate for your life. Since Ebuka they pay their students school fees. A flex they buy you hair, they buy you clothes, they buy you bra, they buy you cream, they buy you perfume. Wait till your husband they participate into your life if you get husband. When you say you get money. Since the men they do all these things for you. Shameless Akuna. Akuna when he shame. The man asks you when he shame, every guy like women. I challenge you to gazette people who post their autos and arras online. They put that one in there. So I don't do it all. What can the book kill? I don't can the book kill small. The short now, the short no matter how because I don't think I should go to the thick. They have a big nipple. And I'm not out if I like I don't want a big nipple. I want a nipple. I never saw your order. I want a nipple. I'm a greedy man. I never saw your order. I don't know if you Mamma, I like a man. I like what no one I not total. And I got the ones who buy and they were nipple, but I did that. When I nipple, but I didn't buy it. It's the other one. I think I said very ice cream. Yeah, but see, you were the one who was one nipple. And I think I ice cream. It's really guys. Oh, God. I one guy who I want my bag and beg you and I obey. I don't know. I don't tell you guys I know the sweet and all the children that I want to. Like, that is never die you. That you come back. When I don't do that, I like about why you were a different, but every we were a different, but the boss. I don't know to get that actually type of work. But yeah, then the boss about what I'm here, right? Here. I don't know today. I don't know why I put that one. I don't know why I still down. Oh, see, if you get around like compare that PJ fashion. PJ fashion. I don't know the baby rapper. The baby rapper is a liberated. If the baby rapper, if I rapper, frying pan, is a liberated. If you see a braid on that, oh, type of PJ. How to cry on a cake. My honey, I'm going to have a thing on a cake, but I like to do. They have that color hand. PJ look at area, not a good fry pan in the rapper. Nonsense. It's one never chair. When I come out with that, when I hear. So if I have out of the street of bed, there is the name. What no down and children clean that money to source. Yeah, man, this is like him. Like I just analyze a thunder and fire you. You don't want me to express myself. Now, although that procedure online was the gazetted, I got gazetted procedure online. I will support 100%. Okay, I will hear leading to gazette. Brush not take live, never lead to gazette. Now, this one lead to gazette because the thing is going viral. In my man of the weekend, all the whole bloggers will post this thing, will post gazette. then they share them to them. Man na chini gani go. Man na chini gani go. Bada bada. Last na chini gani go. Bada. Otiji gazette ani go. Otiji gazette talk as right that. Ini go. Ali afonana. Oda opera go. Let was ever go. Because last year, what are you doing to you? Voice of the man are here. It can't be. In my head, the way you been to, man, don't tell you, I said you are online. She must gazette the Sharia. She will keep on gathering. Any day when she stops gathering people, that is the day when she will die. Any day when she stops to the gazette, that is the end of her life. She will keep on gazetting people until she dies. Because it's very short. It is determined on character. We will give her because she don't determine us time. So I don't know another thing what she will do now. Whether she will buy private jet. Let me give her advice. Baby, Kiki. Baby, Ebuka. Baby, Ebuka. You know, you can as your private jet. No, as well as private. Gaha ya private. Get the Atabu, idea. Let the Muti idea. Let AIG, AIG, idea. Got your mission tackle, idea. Tigonia EFCC, in Ghana. That Ghana is state Nigeria, where they are governors, idea. But I have flight, see how they were here. Within their brother, I am out of Sohala. Because country who are there, the number one is here, number two is here. And that's why they will carry me go. That is the only thing you can do to see me, the authority. If you cannot do like this, if you want, you would need as a children can bring with them up. All the nego, I cost all the nego, Upon many woman, I cost that up to them. Sure, upon what now I want to do. Like I as a children can boil on the woman not forgot the children can boil not forgot it. Woman not come on, fella, where else it was with I rock you where not come more. They're the worst mistake in that minute. Nobody. You have common sense. You want to do trouble, but you don't have evidence to present. You are trouble on your own. You are the one looking for people's trouble. Because of you have a position where you can get fake connection. That is why I want to subdue every mature people at age of 66 years. You want to subdue me not to talk online, not to do my business. Say you have, even that person where you get person where you get respect. Where you know go even say, hey no. This is what I tell you. Now from here I will know whether like they rule Nigeria. I don't have to rule Nigeria. Now from this case, because we don't come out for you. Injury for one is injury for all. We wait for you. I will not go wrong. You go bow. If they join the girl, go and attack. Because all that shower, well, I shower for 40 years, 45 years, and then they expire. All around there about money. All around water. All around gum. Can you which officer they like like you know the Bible. Even a fibroid, after me believe, and then it's short. Imagine when you are short, after that they believe, you might even look at even look at it to yourself. You are always short, you will give gazette. Because after the short, after me believe, if you didn't share it, you will kind of. Immediately you dream you will not manage 1,800,000 or 2 million. You man, that's why you're more bandit. One day I'll be a die here. What was that? But I don't know. So don't worry about moving. Moving, they're moving. Almost have a book and a babu and I have one you idiot. If I said it from a character, get back in our kind about the pen. Get back in the visible gazette. Now is to give the best gazette. Now. Number one, I have the trade. People don't post that thing for my page. I don't need it for my page. Let them post that by themselves. I have the trade everywhere. Go and gazette whether it's real or it's fake. It's up to you. It's part of destroying your name. It's part of defending your character. Whether it's your own real or it's not your own fake. Go and gazette people that posted it online. Can you do it? Can you do that? Look at the way people are. Common respect you don't get again. Everybody that don't avoid you. People don't unfollow you. People don't unfollow you because of say, I don't get online. People don't unfollow you. Come out online and come tell us what will happen. You will come out to this one not be a gazette matter. This one another case. I will get our own case for voice notes. This one another case. Other case is more important than voice notes. So come out.
I'm stoppable. So if you kind of I'm even a lot of people here and there because this is what you cannot do. You want to we're gonna do a lot of them now even Monday or Monday who say my blog China match one I don't have where the accounts and dogs and I watch more. So on a woodage now they quiz up we and I mean at the government in I mean at Nigeria they quiz up we and and this is
only our anti-Igbo, only our Sabo, only is a Sabo, only now is a Sabo, only Junior Lord, Adrian Madu, only Junior Brother as a contact, Adrian contact. It's not only Junior as a contact in one name. Gaa chọọ ele ahụ onye ara ụlọ onye ara a na-akpọ frikpọm ka junior gaa chọọ na frikpọm na frikpọm contact na ịnụ onye a contact onye a no get anything to help you onye a cannot do anything for you onye a is a selfish human being onye a nwere selfish interest online with Kanshiro yara about frikpọm this one dey one inwe contact onye need to frikpọm the guy frikpọm the guy yes need to frikpọm the guy ndị ga-ahụ ya ahụ ndị TikTok ahụ ndị TikTok dị ahụ ya I don't fit more the guy. I don't fit more the guy. Now, if you know, if you are really doing hope as well in America, if you go to Canada, also as long as you know that moving trend, as long as that's over anything, a permanent friend, one permanent enemy, whatever, to show that she's a user, she will use you to fight her common enemy. Once you get to what she wants, she will block you. If you complain, lawsuit. So when will you stop all these things you are doing in life? When will you stop all this rubbish? You claim that the people are calling you for peace. I vow with my mother in the grave, nobody call you, bring evidence. Sharon is going to teach you the language you don't understand. Sharon don't like Nigerian weather. Sharon is just like me. Not everyone like Nigerian weather. Don't you see the way I'm fresh? Better can make dreams with almost master Babana or someone one hour so they're not 20 years. That's why I'm not 50, 66. And then I would like so Nigeria and I took them up with that. If you Nigeria, you're not Nigeria there also. Take your Nigeria. You don't need it. You cannot see me to come and play with you after a fake wanted, a fake unlawful court order. When I got it, I can't look at that. Mom won't say, Papa, I'm Nigerian. They lose here. That was the judge. They can say it's a policy. That'll be a woman. But I don't want to ndị gara abụọ na atụtụ ọpọchụnọtị na-abụ every year only working and give us na amada adụwago ma happiness opportunity mgbe gbobi ma aratụ uwe ma ruo onye ọgwụgwụ so no dey fear you so ya bụrụ maka mụa dịnyere na gazeti again otu ọ maka ị na-enyere olu na Facebook apụrụ gịkwa 10 straight years ka m ga-anọ ọhịa na-enye gị olu no get them lion, no get them lion, no we don't cheat them. Lion. Then the moon lion. Okay now. What about now my bed there? Then it's in I can't do my pastor I can't do never. I can't do that one. Nobody locked my account. The one in my account to me. Nobody. Got on the chair. I can't on the chair. The woman about she account. They will Akona about their about she account. Akona. I show them when he grade. I can show them when he results. They will have the document. I do what she's done. They know highest contact with all of them. Take to declare matter. About what highest say. Apart from that one, it would have caused you one of them living in the power. Apart from declaring someone that wanted, do you have power anywhere? I challenge you to show me that your next power. If you don't do anything this week more than the one way you do, May God strike your generation to death. If you don't do anything more than Gazette way, may God strike your generation. May those bastards that you born, God to them, you born Boko Haram and bandit, may God punish their life, may they die like an idiot. Useless idiot. Man, the break and the break from Kita Kenya, you get truly the heat of the Facebook. They have abandoned managers to other Facebook. The God of IGBO LAND strike your generation to death. If your hand is clean on what you are doing, you never bully anybody, people will reply to you, and they are doing gazette. May thunder strike those bastards, those Boko Haram, those bandits. You got children. You got to kill them overnight. If you never bully people, people bully you back. Because of the gate, they close to Interpol in Abuja. From their house to their house to office, they don't even 2 minutes drive. Because if you are not talking like 30 minutes or 1 hour, you don't go feed them because you don't be able to buy fuel. That's 2 minutes drive. That is why you get mine to gazette human being like you. Without anything. The same thing where they do, and the same thing where you go to gazette people. If they pay money or make they bully somebody, you are paying money to bully a woman like you. So when someone say it's sleep with you, and they never mention your name, they never say it's the one he's talking about. You just come out and say, now you. Now you are total, don't come out. I'm not only African. What can you do? You can't do anything. Because a poor woman is a poor woman. A poor woman remains a poor woman. If you shall not finish dealing with you, if a man will hate each other, war will. Imo State. About Imo State. Yeah, my head, don't know where I should get Imo State. Or somehow I'm a capital. If you shall not finish you, in your entire life, you must go and look for work. You must carry pure water within the home for sleep very soon. Because everywhere you get money, you go closer. All the people do this people. What do I take listening? I take listening and say, I will close all the whole room where money they come to your hand. Don't try me. I don't know another person. Forget saying they do. I pass all of them. I go close, even if you can, no go pick your call again. The fire video. The fire video. On a man who is a lot of fire. They want to be the one to fire. The whole world want to know you. Everybody wants to know you. Yes. Because when they hear your voice, the way when you 20 people, you will do this, authority, court will settle this, court will settle that. Why must only court will settle the problem you are having with the people on social media? People that you never meet. Many of them are take account. How will you expect court to leave bandits, leave Boko Haram when they kill people? Can't they put mouth for what they do with people online? Nobody say you know they do if you do pass. One person reply you, that person become problem. And they say you will keep mouth shut. If you know Gazette us me again, may turn that slightly at the nation. All the man I go baragala doesn't green color. All the man all they take you from red blood cell, blaze green color. If you know Gazette me again, this is what I'm going to tell you. Make sure you Gazette me again because they want the thing they're going to face this week where they it will pass with make you Gazette last time because Mbubage not as online. More of it, their people are bringing it online. Their people, now then they bring them. But the men no poster, men no tag me. Make it do I make it see. So I don't know what you go make it go see all these things. You know we go call in people to come here, to come abroad, to come pay people one by one. Nothing you go do when go stop people not to stagger you. People should see. They are saying I'm going to stop since. If I say you get sense, go inside. Now this thing what you do now many people no believe this Aramana case. No believe they fight you. Millions of people they fight you. Go TikTok. You go hear what people they talk. Just like I tell people wait, I said now it goes into the matter. Don't take account now. Gazette take account now when they talk about the matter now. And her mom will say, this woman not try you. Gazette to home and them to the brother son a year book. Now, look at it. I press Miriam. I tap Miriam here. Look at so many Miriam. Can you see so many Miriam? More than 1 million Miriam for that. So how do you know that you are the one people are talking about? If you know say your hand is clean. If you know say your heart is clean. If you know say your hand is clean. How do you know that you are the one Miriam a place was talking online? How did you know?
3 days ago, you killed 3 people. On Friday. On Friday, that's it.
Oh, wow.
No, Toto.
Papa is the one I come back to. No, Papa. Food the bar level for our here. Kabulu, my head and door honey. That I pay for peace. I lie, shut on for the millions of naira, dollar 1 year. We got Pakistan and G. Shalom, the last person that from 1 year and a full. She can make peace. The same thing with me. That how they made this year. Yeah, may I now. Let's say Traka. Okay, what I say, 1 year way. That's on the level of Bianco Jupuna, on the level of Alakeja, or level of Netubu. Then I will get old or soon now. Now, why not put a criminal or two in office? But when I come on level of tomatoes, on our level of pure water, the way you have all up personal, the way you need to do it, the way you need to control. All of say I'm Boko Haram Nabuga, and I'm bandit, all the way to the person. So Kenya is awful. I used to never Canada Gazette. Can she decline the whole world Gazette? Can she decline the Holy Mosque to 110? Can she decline the Holy Mosque 110? Can she decline the whole house 110? Can she decline my family 110? She cannot do that. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 110. 1 Oh, a little bit of the end on it. Again, no, India. Case here, Bubo. She have killed her case. She don't have case. But the little one she claimed that she have destroyed everything. So I will be the last bastard, the last coward who give up on this woman. Never. Na boca do futuro, I want to hear. Not Brazilian shit. Not Brazilian shit. I tried to see, take the thing, but I don't know. I remember that. You try to play. having taken the ego. If you want to marry me, come and pay for my right. Come and pay. Not be any ego. You got about happen and before we came upon say the ego. All I know like ammonia had the woman. Ammonia had the tomato. All I could see, behind me taking the ego. Yọmi chọrọ na anaghị steeti yọmi chọrọ na agwọta ọbara na-agwọ ọbara na-aṅụ ọbara na-aṅụ ọbọbụla ịgbaghe n'ọdụ gị bịa na ego m ka ọdụ ofeshal na alụla nwaanyị abụọ ka ebe ya na fesbuk ọ nwoke na alụkwa nwaanyị abụọ nwoke igbo like ịlụ nwaanyị abụọ ụbọchị ego ka e nwere ime izu abụọ ma wife will understand na okwe ekwe ya ala ka gawa hụ nwa bịa na ego m hapụ ya emere na nzuzo adịghị ụta anyị nọbụ na-ezo ihe ezo open ya openly ka the whole world hụ na tina oh my second wife finish ohere ya gbara ya ọ na-eme ya gburugburu ka ọ na-ahụ ya na nzuzo na-amị the boy the boy na 50,000 ya na ya na 20,000 ya na ya the boy na-asụ ihe adịghị otu ụbọchị ego ka m ji lụọ my wife ejiri 500,000 lụọ my wife that I spend more than $5 million in shipping. Na-ezokwa ihe ga-ezo wee wuzie ma wife kama ndị mmadụ ekwu ya n'okwu na lanụ nwaanyị ụmụ fọ bịa ma ego m na-abịa ifeke ga-ajụ ya debo ya were iwe na kwufụdị online gesi ga-egbu debo ị ga-egbu ndị na-ekwu maka okwu deted you go kill them, you go gazette them, you have power, you the most powerful woman on earth. Even at the first, you think that the one India, Uganda, they can't with power, they can't with authority. People never gazette anybody in that side country. They never gazette anybody in Nigeria. Now you be the first shower when they gazette innocent people online. I shower when don't get qualification. I shower when don't get career. I shower don't get anything when we say, this one na what I do. This one na my house. This one na my property. I shower when don't get any level. The gazette people, you go hear about. Oh, the GPO. You declare for a man with family. You claim that you have a husband. If a man say they cry for him, say make him stay, make him no leave you, and they cry for him. They cry. Because the guy said, no, I have a wife. This year, Juju, no go hold me again. I cancel this year. Kayamata. We have video where you say they use Kayamata, they catch men. There's video for you. They catch a man of 35 years to leave his marriage to marry you. You promise him heaven and earth. Promise him empty land. Promise him mansion. You didn't promise him a man of money. You never afford anyone. You never fulfill any promise you promised that young man. And the man has spent a lot of money for you. The money the guy spent for you. A wife when they work for DEPA, her salary in the next 10 years can never cover it. And they are claiming that you are a billionaire wife. A billionaire wife with a scam, a sugar boy. A billionaire wife with a lie to a sugar boy. A billionaire wife where they promise a sugar boy fake promises. If you promise a mama will born the boy, money 100,000. You know if you give her a billionaire wife. A woman with a connection that no money. Why your connection without money? You don't have to bribe the commissioner of police, FCT, bribe Interpol, bribe the main police page, bribe even DKG to post nonsense online, and they think that will keep quiet. We have exposed you. You go nowhere. Social media is powerful. Nigerian government, they listen to social media. You don't know. They listen to social media more than anything. You think that our message is from them. Oh, our message is going to the high authority. Because people that receive those gazettes, they are following my page. Yes. You see, I did my birthday. Some people do video for me. That video went viral. If you go there, I think they say this person is wanted. And it's celebrating his birthday to show Nigeria is finished. How can somebody that is gazetted will be free to celebrate his birthday and people are celebrating him to show that I don't have case to answer? There's no case. Yes. You see, you are begging a man to marry you when you claim that you have a husband. How can a man that doesn't have a job will be taking care of you and 4 children? Are you stupid? Are you crazy? Are you mad? Eh? Common sense. Somebody open one or if it's one. This one about blogging no more. How do you think that it will work? It may introduce to all your children. He knows their name. They accept gift from him. He bought ice cream for them. You will live your children with him and go alone. People will see him as somebody that owns the children. You ask him to come to the birthday party, to dress like a Fulani man. He disguises himself, wear Fulani dressing, wear cap, carry bag. Come. Just for you to fuck. And the man will get mine. They sponsor you, trust you, believe you, that everything you tell him is truth. That man must be bred from their evil doers. That man, if that man exists true, is a human being with a head, a human being, God gives life, a human being that is, when he died, there are 6 feet in they go. You don't will live for this earth forever. The same thing with all of us. The next 50, 60 years now, nobody on this struggle will remain. I have to call it 70 years. The one that this struggle now, in a while again in a while. So who is that man? Yeah, if he exists, let him come out and listen to the prospect of their boyfriend. Yes. Don't have, see, I'm not here to add anything. I'm here to tell the world what brought the matter of gazetting. Is your boss friend, boss notes that leak, like other things leak online. Whatever is on social media is for public, not a personal business. Like as gazetteers, everybody is with it. I wish my mother is alive, she would with it. All my siblings are with it, their food. So, why your voice note will not be played? Because you will be Jesus Christ of Nazareth. We don't go play your voice note. Even Jesus came to save the world. I don't play no bit. That was that corner. A harlot that is left with different alahadis in Abuja to look for daily bread will come and command us not to talk about before she don't talk today. They never born their mama when they suffer from village well. They never born those Boko Haram and claim that is their son, their children. They never born them well. I don't know why I wash or whatever we bandit. We believe it. The prayer I saw something outside though. Go and get justice for your dog. And go to that for this morning. Make sure you have friend. Make sure they give you money to buy friend to go up in the type office today Monday. That's why I come out for you. Go on before 6 o'clock. Before I sleep, I will get another information for you. But before I sleep, I will still come out for you again on TikTok. Tomorrow morning I day here. My happiness I get this thing. That's why when you stay for abroad, anything what they give you, original. If for someone I did it now, my hair not don't crack. If you put them two, make a finish. If you sleep in the night, no talk, don't put up your mouth. Tomorrow morning, your boss go there clear. Gazette this one, because I think they clear my voice while they take the fire you. Gazette, see the name of the company. Gazette. You know, Gazette, even take account. If you try to Gazette take account, Chile can't draw or no. Thunder will strike you. Any take account when there is bullying you, you know Gazette, then the God of thunder strike your generation. As they come out from that small gate where we say they hide, the trailer when no get break, kill you. Make me hear say you don't buy. Anything when you buy, the kind party will do for your head. And your money is most sad at head. When I leave here, I need and your black son is in my lead. Teacher more program, if you die without getting justice for around online, and without the justice in another aspect online, your shame will show your generation. You believe it. If you don't need to tell your brother that she misbehaved, you already misbehaved. Even your father went died 3 years ago, now how they kill him? But if they get money to buy Gucci, Zara for woman, they claim that she's a billionaire. But your father is sick, he cannot afford money to send him to hospital. That man died because of no care. But they are using money to pay for somebody to their school fees. They are using money to buy AC Yankee for a shower that you don't even like her toto. Her toto, they come out blood. If they get married, they spend millions for her. Why are people not going to believe you? You don't fuck up. You lose God. A slave, you lose God. There are people who are supposed to disown you. Because if you can spend such money for a harlot, why did they allow your father to die because of 200,000 naira to take him to hospital? You see him? That God will punish you for that side. No, your father can't die. The same as Sharon when they spend millions of naira. Can't call you for video call as usual. Your mama can't dey there. You can't give your mama food. She see your mama face to face. Say, Mama, sorry. May your husband rest in peace. Mama, I'm very sorry. Send me your account. Let me send you 100,000 naira now. And you send the account to her at the same time. She didn't send the money. After 1 month, she never sent the money. Your mother not asked you. The woman that promised me money, she not sent the money. You now remember her. That your mother is asking about that 100,000. She's not showing you $100 for video. Whether now $1 or $200 or $100, I don't know. Should they show you for camera? Say she's going to change the money at the money changer. After she changed the money, she's going to send the money to you now. And they're waiting for her to send the money. She didn't send the money up to now. But the same person, you have spent millions of naira to spend 100,000 for your mother. That she used her mouth to promise the money. Let me say your mother forced her no. Let me say that you forced her no. Now she said, I will give 100,000 to her. Can a person when get sense, you don't get money that time. You go say, Mama, I will see you later. That could have been more better. I will see you later means you may see me or you may not see me. You may hear from me or you may not hear from me. A slave will not bother anymore because letter is letter. You don't know whether that means 2 years. You don't know whether that means 5 years. But this one, send me account number. Let me send 100,000 naira now. The old woman was waiting to receive the money. A slave was waiting to see alert. And the people that is online, they know the truth. They are telling me that this woman, at the end of the day, they are going to be friends after all this hard losses. She's doing. Is it possible? Because you cannot come to America, from America and visit this woman. Never. Go and mark my word today. Nkechi Benku cannot come from America and visit this woman in Abuja. Never. Their friendship end of saga. Because both of them, they have so many benefits they are hiding from each other. Nkechi Benku is the one that sent this nude out yesterday. It's fake account. Nkechi Benku has everything to destroy this woman. Likewise, a slave. But you know why? They know that she's not doing anything legit. Everything she's doing is backyard. They know. The same thing with me. I have been with them. She never do anything legit. That is why I'm telling her, if they born her papa will die well home with the kid 1975, when she go close my access account, I put them online. And there I will not say she dey do everything legit. She no fit do am because she no dey do anything legit. She no get that contact to go arrest somebody from Imo State. She no got that contact to arrest somebody in Lagos State. No. She no get that contact to arrest somebody from Kano State. No. She no get that contact to arrest anybody from Kaduna. No. But if she see you one-on-one in Abuja, or you visit her in Abuja, that is where she get contact. She will start putting so many allegations on you, telling them the way you are criticizing Islam. You say Muslim is this, Muslim. She will change their mind. She will do anything with her al-Kabar. Court where they go. No Yoruba person there. No Igbo person there. Only Fulani there. Any office where they go. No Yoruba person there. No Igala person there. No Igbo man there. Only Fulani is there. That is how she operates. And this time around, those people, she didn't told them all. So many work what they don't do for them. They never paid them. And those people that don't want to enter trouble, they go tell and say, this is not they go the way we would like to go. Because now Yoruba they rule, not Hausa they rule, not be Fulani they rule. Now Yoruba they rule, not be Fulani they rule. So if you say that Fulani get the final say on this matter, na lie. Yoruba man go put him out. Igbo man go put him out. They will drag the matter. As long as I'm not in Nigeria, everybody will drag the matter. They will see the real truth of this matter. Whether you have the authority, to come online to be threatening people with Nigerian government. Do you know what it meant? To threaten a citizen of Nigeria with a tap online while you are the main bully. You are mama of bullying. Now you dey go for people's place, go bully them. When they reply you use police to threaten them. That is what you do. Are you doing anything about this? So why is they not arrest fortunate when he did village? Everybody know their place. Christians know their place. All their cabals know their place. Christians know their place. Intelligent people know their place. Why you don't go there and go pick up? You don't get the level, no connection, no contact. Only that's the Abuja when you there. Person when you there with you for December 2 hours, January 2 hours, you don't arrest them. You allow them to go to America. You call the Gazette to show you say you don't get case. You just want to spoil his name. Yes. You see when this Friday, this Gazette issue now, maybe this year it starts. Now last year our matter started. And pursue where you Gazette this year, then Nigeria for more than 2 months. You don't use their real contact to go arrest them. Now the same airport to Nigeria, the person take come out. You know if you arrest them with their contact. Wow! Ashawo is not a good work. In the next world, make sure you go to school and learn how to do tailor, how to sew clothes, or how to make hair, so that you're going to get small money there. That money when you get there, it's going to make you day busy. They look for another one than to they lazy. They bomb bastards to a different man. They bomb bandits to different men. And now, all of them don't left you behind to those bandits. That's why in the struggle, the 5 person where you go Gazette to make that person come give you money. You go chop that money inside your grave. Just watch. ịchọ ya kịta ya pụtara ihe ebe ọ na-adịghị mma ebe ahụ na-adịghị mma ọwa amala ka ọ na-enye ebe ahụ na-adịghị mma ọwụ masaji ọgara jim ebe ọha na-adịghị mma aka dọgị style ọkọ ebe ya na-adịghị mma kidakpe ya keke dịra nye dọgị dịra anya ọba isi ọgụ nwe na-anya ezigbo ire enugbo ebe gị na-anya ezigbo bọta ebe ha na-akpọ bọta dị na anyụ blọd anyụ gọm ọdụvụ gọm ịmadụ ikpezi ka bụ ndị Guinness Book of Record kentiri na their network because ahụbere m nwaanyị ọdụ ya bụ gọm jesu mkpụrụ ya ụwa eflefu ọdụgị bụ gọm na enweghị ihe ga anyụ na bed ihe ha na-atụghị emegharị aka ihe na chọm ya gọm ha aka ihe nwere nwanne eti aka ya ji ụta ya na-abụ ya ọ sị ya maka ahịa ahụ na-eji anyụ ya tọcha ya gọọmenti izu aka efulefu ị na-anyụ a very good product ịmara na ochi na ọkụkọ inwe ego aswetu ime ite ndị na-anyụ shu ndị na ha na-akpa biznes ọfụma na-ewere lọya ịdapụga ụlọ akpa biznes ka ha ka iji ụgwọ so that any gọm ụlọ ha ga-produce issue anyị debere supply to them ị ga-enwe ezigbo ego ga-ebe ego ụlọ nna gị a zere eze mmiri mapụ ndị gị n'ime rụgharịa ya na ị na-anyụ gọma gaa aba ndị wee dị na arụsị na aba gaa ebe ahụ gbaghara nye anyụ gọm isi ndị ọhụụ fufu tere gọm abụghị mmiri ọsọ n'anya ị ga-ebuba ihe m na-agbaghị for your own good because you have lost everything in life your destiny has been destroyed because ebe ahụ different men ede nwara gị ngwa ịmaghị ebe ha tisiri aka ịmaghị ebe amụ ha nọ ịmaghị ma nwaanyị ọchịrị ọ bụ na amụ ha si na nwere ara nwaanyị ọzọ nwaanyị ahụ dị useless ị ga-agba mbọ gala aba ji achọ ndị na-arụsi omeka gbaghị ndị na-asọpụla anyị gọm ebe ịrụzire ha ofu trailer of gọm binye ha that's the only way you can survive gazette na gazette ikpu nne gị e no go work for you go and do another gazette that can work for you or you gazette those people wey bring their honor online get justice for your honor because this time around you no go know peace because any devil any evil human being no need to rest that's what it be so God don enter and that's why him name mama no more I got better gabalo can I talk my voice I don't want to lose my voice again because all the way I'm for now people could possible work I lost from back so I don't know more oh I got him I put all here pulling for
Bluetooth mode.
Efule the picture nwoke ahụ asị na-alụ ya lụrụ efule the picture ụmụ ya niile lụrụ efule dị ọtụ ya efule na agba ncha na tọki You pay for power and Nigeria. Tell them can have answer. I mean, man, I born on Philippines. Yeah, I have answer since more than 10 years ago. And then ban more. And those who know phone me before. He said, you know, the client that no know phone so you me from our house. You want to know ocean house, so yeah, on the money, I don't have my head. That's why I did may avoid a block or how they went to call the war. But the whole on the kind of what on social media. No social media, all I know. Whatever, now we get time. If we let you do to one year, the picture there, the picture money. Dear, we can do Oju from community. As long as you were contacted with dear. Don't be like that before. You come back and contact him on your line. Why would you drop the emoji? What they have for contact? One not for business. Some not for contact. You will contact the Bible, the number. But the Bible next you don't remember. Who never they will see. They have online the phone they will let me phone for peace. The way he no to nobody they call her for peace. Everybody want to see the end of this matter and keep answering. I watched them when him mad. Now I'm the only person catching neglect is like 2 months. Don't get lawyer. If I don't want to a full call to get call online. All over are so cool. Jim get their own lawyer. Suggest to tell her, I'm not know the same people have boss and war together. The player you come with same information. Get your lawyer. But I got money when I'm mad. Toli wele ndi free Obama. Nnaga nwụrụ nnaga agụrụ gbasọkọ gburu na 1975. We are willing to get Nigeria now. We are willing to go to Nigeria now. The man of the gym at power on the area is good. But as long as all Naga we are going. Now I'm not going to Australia. Is there on the Zamusu? Is there who might be on the again? More Naga or teaching. We had each other, blood and the friendship. That's different from blood contact and friendship contact. Two of them are not the same. And when blood contact, build on that other than prison. 2 weeks. Some of the fresh contact. To get blood contact, when we say what thing they do me, you better say that it's in the pinch. You could not say Nigeria get law. If Nigeria don't get law, look at Nigeria get law. This woman can never manipulate anybody. After we finish with that, I use myself as an example. Just watch from now to a week or 2 weeks now. You could hear nothing will happen online. Ọ ga-agba na onye nwere mmadụ ka onye nwere ego. Ha awọrọ dị ikwu egwu. Olibadugo bụ ji akụ egwu. Ọsadebe ji akụ egwu. O nwere mmadụ ka onye nwere ego. Yes. A na-ezi si ihe a na-eji mmadụ ezi n'ụwa ahụ nwanne ya. A na-eji enyi ezi. Enyi nwe ụlọ pekọtọ. Good. I will help my friend and my blood. Because man of you, ericha mmadụ ndị si fresh na ala bi they go start their business but your brother go there they do certain things close to their grave before you go begin go but oyi ga-ala so all time we told them what blood is thicker than water. It's not about any other but everything. No we never know what in what that blood women involved in there. Forget it, they are free. A big about I think it was so they want have blood women involved. About call I think called. Why they about there were one little barrel. Nigga not married and when have one hammer barrel. Onye ndị nna gị enwere ka enwe polisi na Naịjirịa unu nwere polisi n'ụlọ unu nwere lọya n'ụlọ unu enwere ihe nwere n'ụlọ unu ụlọ ndị osu na amụsu that is why ama nne gị na nna gị ji shie nne gị nwa ọkịta bụ ndị vileji na-ewere ebe arụ ọma ntụgharị ebe a ga na-edowe ozu igosati enwe ihe nọ n'ụlọ unu iji ndị Fulani nwere everything a na-agbanụsị ndị Fulani si na they like their chicken but one day they will kill that chicken and eat it they may like you now after they hear what you do they see your breast when they trade online they see how your boyfriend dey buy you Gucci they see how your boyfriend dey fuck you for personal hotel they go deal with you. This is what they do. To make a work idiot. This is what they do. They got a man here who flip. Or who more wash. I mean, the wash mistake. They wash.
One Mandela, ma Fatima, man can work it. I don't know, but I'm not just one.
Agbaghị nwaanyị nọ 18 years etinye aka n'ọkpụ mara ma ọ pazeji etikwere aka n'ọkpụ azụ ezigbo nne mara ma ọ rawa n'ọkpụ ebe na-afụrụ efulefu na-enweghị choice efulefu na-ara nne na nwa efulefu na-ara nne na nwa agaghị hapụrụ maka na efulefu ka ya akwụkwara n'ime ahịa epi kirigbo nwoke kirigbo efulefu the way you manage efulefu the condition efulefu do already see their condition efulefu do already ị na-eme dịka anyị ihe na-eri gị the day you understand that ihe na-eri gị if you never do the needful thing if you arrest a slave and a syndicate they will tell you the truth of what they did to you. You have to start from them to know what they are going to do. They are the part of their problem. They are the people that make plan to execute everything online. And because of they are fighting their common enemy, that is why I think that they are your people. They are not their people. They hate you with a passion. They see the way they will poison you, they will poison you. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know.
My youth and I got enough. I spent $120,000 a day.
Did you get to Haiti and be hating with him or no? Because Haiti is a very big hotel. A place will present the day when I go there, they will put CCTV. They will see 2 of them there. He spent $120,000 for dinner. Onye play for you. Who done this in the place? A play for them spend the guy. But even on a page, you pay 50,000 naira. Next day, you sleep. They will again expect. But it is good that I share with my woman. Wow. Billionaire was a billionaire was it. Billionaire of Africa. After that, the next woman in geographic Africa one day after Abuja. The second billionaire in Africa. Affiliate. The abortion have finished literally. 4 years relationship. 3 to 4 years relationship is not a day job. The boys don't use and read you and tell you know who used you. You didn't open your phone. You did many messages. Open your account to see some money no there. Now money to buy food. And you pay account. The boys don't enter you. Because any man who don't see you to do, you have right to unlock you. Any man will get mine, you unlock the to for that man. Everything about you is for him. He will have right to enter anywhere about you. On our say, are you sure? But are you sure? Tell me the truth or else I will go from here now. I will go for arm and out and I don't got to create you. I got to create you for Baba. I go for arm and if you come back, no, I'm serious. Ebi akere nso eti kwa mo back na wazo ma na no no no. Why gazette? When a gazetta. What is the occupation? Gazetta. Go and gazette this week. If you know gazette this week, but come and strike a generation. But those who are bastard become foolish and bandit. Look around. I wish them earlier death. You can never know peace until you die. I curse you as a man of 66 years, as you pray, as you say, as you believe that I should know you, and you want to destroy my name on social media. I curse you that those that bandits will be gazetted and killed by the Nigerian government in future. That could tell Trailer and kill you. That is my wish. Who I like to go to the come secret and I create by heaven. We are called because I saw the guy like that. All the guy buried in that quota. Here's the number all the guy over. They are buried in that quota first. That will have my saga. I think you about the guy about the saga. About the guy about pump and the pump shop. I think you about the saga. Idiot. Foolish bastard. I'm coming back for you this one. Let me get it. I'm energy.
Bangladesh. I'm going to have a restaurant in Abuja. Yeah, this is each of our years and the cross to 5,000 naira. And more juice. Choose about 5, choose about a cup, 5,000 or 6,000. I'm a young way and I'm more. I'm a bit bad. It's a hundred. The last one I got already is 72,000. Now I'm walk. Yes, I'm going to book the yeah, the other appeal from you. Let us one as you go. I'm going to do one. No, when he was not to know after you could go.
You don't show them. I feel that. Okay, I believe. As I found one there, I found the Tanzania, I found the Uganda, and I believe. If let's go out by now. Oh, I know the fuck again. Let me go. That is the problem of this issue. You must continue fucking it until this blood way the community will stop. So they knock me until my blood will stop. By mistake, by something, a flavor over the a flavor not even by mistake. Can you hear? Crown in the area. The area, the area, Musa, a flavor. For anyway, Musa, a flavor. I said, a flavor will never be Korean. What's your hammer? A mere gold, one gold. I'm going to do my crave for the emphasis. I'm going to get my head and that way I'm safe to live. That way I live. Use the water. The batch happen. If you did I don't mind show. Tomorrow to the emerald hand. Tomorrow night, they bring the jobs for them. You know, go hustle as the hustle now. You know, see me, I do 66 years. I did 66 years. I see the hustle. Look, say it makes 50 something. I mean 50. In a bed pony. You see where you see a bed and the rich you. And I'm not going to close to the program. Against all. Against all. Now look at no choice. It should be club, I didn't say no one.